Hello friends, in today's video, I'll show you how to save an email as a PDF file on your iPhone. Let's get started. Open the Mail app on your iPhone. Select the email you want to save as a PDF by tapping on it to open it. While viewing the email, tap the Reply button, which looks like a curved arrow at the bottom. In the Reply menu, scroll down and find the Print option, then tap on it. Now, tap the Share button in the top right corner. In the Share menu, you will see various PDF sharing options. Choose Save to Files. Select a location to save the PDF, such as iCloud Drive or on my iPhone. Finally, tap Save. The email will now be saved as a PDF file in your selected location, and you can access it anytime. Here, you can see the email has been converted into a PDF. This is how you can save an email as a PDF on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the free tech guide for more tips and tricks.